The marble serpent of Palmyra. In the wind-swept ruins of Palmyra, where desert sands blur the line between memory and myth, archaeologists uncovered a sculpture unlike anything else in the ancient Near East. A marble serpent composed not of a single carved body, but of dozens of interlocking segments. Each piece fits into the next with uncanny precision, forming a sinuous creature that seems ready to coil, strike, or slither away across the stone floors of the vanished city. This extraordinary artifact, known today as the Marble Serpent of Palmyra, challenges long-held assumptions about the artistry, engineering, and symbolic imagination of the people who once walked these sun-struck streets. The serpent's body is made of polished white marble streaked with gray veins that mimic living scales. Yet what astonishes scholars most is the modular construction. Every section appears to be carved separately, from small, curved vertebra-like joints to broad, plate-like pieces that widen near what would have been the serpent's mid-body. When assembled, the pieces align so tightly that even a strand of hair could scarcely slip between them. No adhesive, no pins, no metal supports, just weight, balance, and geometry. Some researchers believe this modularity allowed the serpent to be reconfigured into different poses, as though ancient priests or artisans could reshape the creature to suit ritual needs. Others argue it was once part of a larger mechanism, perhaps a ceremonial display or a teaching tool related to Palmyra's complex cosmologies. The head is the most intricate piece of all. Its eyes are set with faintly tinted stone, giving the impression of perpetual watchfulness. The mouth opens slightly, revealing fangs carved so thin they seem almost translucent in certain lighting. A tongue of red stone, unique among the marble pieces, rests inside, its color preserved across centuries of burial. Some scholars suggest this contrast symbolized renewal or rebirth, echoing ancient beliefs about serpents shedding their skins. Others see it as a warning, a reminder of both danger and wisdom intertwined in a single form. What purpose the marble serpent served remains uncertain. Palmyra was a crossroads of cultures, where Roman, Persian, and Arabian influences blended into a vibrant tapestry of beliefs. Serpents appear in many of these traditions as guardians, healers, or intermediaries between worlds. Perhaps the serpent was a shrine centerpiece, its segments rearranged during seasonal rites. Perhaps it lay coiled at the foot of a long-destroyed altar, silently witnessing prayers carried on incense-laden air. Or perhaps it had a more symbolic role, meant to embody the unbroken continuity of life in a desert city, sustained by trade, oasis ingenuity, and the resilience of its people. Whatever its original purpose, the marble serpent of Palmyra endures as a testament to a civilization that mastered stone, not just as a medium, but as a language, one still whispering across the ruins, waiting for someone to translate its final message. Help the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.